Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make hair serum at home for dry and frizzy hair. This hair serum will give you soft, shiny, long and beautiful hair. So yeah, without wasting any more further time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to see all my upcoming latest videos first. And it's completely free of cost. The first and the main ingredient we need is hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers are very good for hair. It strengthens your hair, promotes hair growth, makes hair soft and silky, and reduces grey hair. So take a handful of hibiscus flowers, and here I am separating the petals from the flowers. Now take hot water and add the hibiscus petals into it. The color of the flowers gradually getting changed as we have added this in hot water. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the goodness of this flowers gets absorbed into the water. You can see the color of water is also changed. Now let it cool down. So once it is cooled, then take this solution into a bowl. So to this I am going to add 2 vitamin E capsules. Extract oil from this vitamin E capsules. And finally add aloe vera gel. Add about 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now after adding all the ingredients, mix it very well. Transfer this in any empty spray bottle. After transferring this, then close the cap. And before using it, shake it very well. Now let us see how to use this. Spray this hair serum on your damp hair, or you can even spray it on your dry hair for extra shine and moisture. In this serum, we have added aloe vera gel, which is very good for our hair. Aloe vera gel promotes hair growth and cures dry and damaged hair. And the next ingredient is vitamin E. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties that helps to repair dry, damaged and frizzy hair. This hair serum not only works for dry and frizzy hair, but it also helps in promoting hair growth. As we have added hibiscus, it is very good for hair. So do try this hair serum and share your experience with me. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.